Imagine waking up one morning and the sky is burning red. A shadow passes over cities and people look up, terrified, as wings the size of airplanes block out the sun. It's not a plane. It's not a bird. It's a dragon. What if dragons, those mythical creatures from legends, suddenly came back to Earth? Could humanity survive, or would we become their prey again? Let's find out. Number 1. The return. It begins somewhere in Iceland. A massive volcanic eruption shakes the ground. Satellite images show something moving beneath the lava, something alive. At first, scientists think it's a geological glitch, but then a thermal camera picks up a giant silhouette with a heartbeat. Moments later, an enormous creature bursts through molten rock, spreading massive, glowing wings. Its scales shimmer like metal. Its roar echoes for hundreds of miles. The world realizes dragons are real, and they're back. Number 2. Could dragons exist scientifically? Now let's step into the science. Could such a creature actually exist? A dragon's body would need hollow bones like birds to stay light enough for flight, extreme oxygen intake to power massive muscles, and maybe a chemical combustion system, similar to how certain beetles, like the bombardier beetle, can shoot boiling liquid as self-defense. If evolution favored survival through intimidation, dragons could have developed a biochemical fire organ that mixes gases like hydrogen and methane, creating real flames. So biologically, it's not impossible, just extremely unlikely. Number 3, the world reacts. Within days, news breaks globally. Dragons have been sighted over the Himalayas, Iceland, and the Pacific. Governments declare emergency. Air traffic halts. Satellite footage shows entire forests burning. Scientists rush to study them. Religious leaders call them omens, and the internet explodes with conspiracy theories greater than the dinosaurs are back. They never went extinct. They just went underground. Humanity faces something it hasn't faced in millennia, a predator above us. Number 4, dragons versus modern weapons. Could our modern world fight back? Military jets lock on targets, heat-seeking missiles fire, but dragons dive into clouds, disappearing like ghosts. Their scales, dense and metallic, reflect radar signals and resist bullets. A single dragon attack could melt entire power plants, collapse cities, and destroy fuel depots. Humanity realizes these creatures evolve beyond anything we've ever faced. So new questions rise. Can we capture one? Or should we negotiate if they're intelligent enough? Because maybe dragons aren't beasts. Maybe they're ancient rulers reclaiming their world. Number 5, ancient myths re-explained. Think about it. Dragons appear in almost every ancient culture. China, Europe, the Middle East, even Native American lore. How could so many civilizations describe the same creature without ever meeting each other? Maybe they didn't imagine dragons. Maybe they remembered them. Ancient fossils, strange sightings, and cave paintings of winged serpents could be memories of creatures that once ruled the skies. Could dragons have existed, not as fantasy, but as forgotten evolution? Number 6, coexistence or extinction. If dragons truly came back today, the Earth would change forever. Ecosystems would collapse. Air travel would end. Countries would unite under global defense. But maybe, just maybe, humans would try to coexist. Imagine scientists discovering a dragon's egg, studying its DNA and realizing it holds answers to cancer, fire resistance, or flight engineering. From fear could come a new age of understanding. Maybe dragons never truly died. Maybe they're just waiting, buried deep beneath the earth, sleeping until the world forgets. But if one day they rise again, the balance of power on our planet will change forever. Because dragons don't just breathe fire, they ignite imagination and remind us that legends often begin with truth. If this made you wonder, what else could be real? Then make sure to like this video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to MindScope, where curiosity never sleeps.